I think some of the key topics for us is incorrect perception, sometimes associated with the safety of dairy products. And there's been a lot of work done over millennia, describing, if you look at cheese as something that's been around for a very, very long time. People have grown up knowing cheese is really safe. So today you'll see sometimes in social media people come out and question the safety of cheese, which is ill-informed and not science-based. And it's dealing with some of those perceptions is sometimes quite tricky because they're emotional based and it's quite hard to manage emotion with science. So that is from a food safety perspective, and it's not only for the dairy industry, it's for the food industry as a whole. I think that is a challenge we need to address. I guess the other piece from a more technical perspective is how do you deploy all this digitization journey we've been on over the last many years to solve some of our more tricky problems in the food safety and quality space. And a good example would be how do you predict the shelf life of those products to get them in market faster and develop products that survives better on shelves and markets. Yeah, I think from an industry perspective, we should realize that food safety culture, albeit that we're promoting it quite heavily in our industries, it also includes the consumer and it also includes business to business and making sure that those cultures are aligned. So for food industry, we should remain transparent when we communicate the challenges we've got, the solutions we're working on, and keep on sharing that with the public and keep on sharing that from business to business. The more we share, the better we'll be all of us together growing. And yeah, real time. That'll be the first word that comes up. Real-time diagnosis of product quality and product safety. Moving a lot to in-process testing and in-process diagnosis of quality and safety. So real-time would be the answer from my end. The passion, yeah, just outside now, I had a good conversation with one of the Biomeria people. So the passion and the willingness to work with companies to solve some problems. So they're not just trying to sell you something, they're really trying to come up with a solution together with you, and they do that with passion. So that would be it. I think opportunity. So I think there's heaps of opportunity that's arose today just in terms of the presentations. We've seen the networking opportunity, but then also opportunity for what do we address next year and the year after. I think there's a lot of unanswered questions that will also come out of today, but it creates opportunity for the next events.